How to log out of the Bitrix24 app on your Android device. So first go ahead and open the app if you haven't already. Then after a few moments, your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see many options on your screen, but simply tap on the menu option located on the bottom right corner of your screen. After tapping on menu, your screen should look something like this. Here simply scroll down until you see an option called Logout, which is located in the settings category. After you tap in Logout, your screen will look something like this. Here, tap on the three dots right next to your account numbers, then tap Logout. Then tap on yes to confirm your decision, and there we go. We are now successfully logged out from the app. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.